Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about technology trends in the market. Well, I believe if you live in the realm of information technology, then you should probably know about latest tools and technology in the market. Knowing these will help you prepare accordingly and survive in the market. It will also help you earn good if you have the right skills at the right time. So the graph I am going to show you is a branded tool created by Gartner. Gartner is an IT research and consultancy company. The graph is often called Gartner's hype cycle that represents the life cycle stages a technology goes through from conception to maturity and widespread adoption. Okay, if you look at the graph, there are 5 parts. I'll go one by one. Innovation trigger. In this stage, a technology is conceptualized. There may be prototypes, but there are often no functional products or market studies. The potential inspires media interest and sometimes proof of concept. Peak of inflated expectations. The technology is implemented especially by early adopters. There is a lot of publicity about both successful and unsuccessful implementations. In this lecture, my main intention was to show you about Internet of Things, popularly known as IoT. In this graph, the most hyped technology is Internet of Things, and if you look on the web, the most buzzwords are IoT and big data. According to International Data Corporation, the worldwide market for IoT solutions will grow from $1.9 trillion in 2013 to $7.1 trillion in 2020. IDC estimates that as of end of 2013, there were 9.1 billion IoT units installed. IDC expects the install base of IoT units to grow up to 28.1 billion units in 2020. So the question is, what is Internet of Things? Well, the Internet of Things is a scenario in which objects, animals, or people are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. A thing in Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor implant or a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an IP address and provided with the ability to transfer data over a network. Let's see some applications of IoT. A fridge signaling no milk carton, grocery store getting message, automatic text when you enter the grocery store. This could be an application on consumer side. Connected cars, smart city, smart malls. On the business side of IoT applications, we could analyze log file data to resolve support issues and unravel new revenue opportunities. For example, General Electric, one of the UK's largest manufacturer, is using big data analytics to predict maintenance needs. GE manufactures jet engines, turbines, medical scanners. It is using operational data from sensors on its machinery and engines for pattern analysis. GE is using analysis to provide services tied to its products, designed to minimize downtime caused by parts failure. Real-time analytics also enables machines to adapt continually and improve efficiency. The airline industry spends $200 billion on fuel per year, so a 2% saving is $4 billion. GE provides software that enables airline pilots to manage fuel efficiency. So now you can imagine the amount of data going to be generated by these IoT devices and the requirement of big data engineers in the market in coming future. Okay, coming back to the graph, the third part is trough disillusionment. Flaws and failures lead to some disappointment in the technology. Some producers are unsuccessful or drop their products. Continued investments in other producers are contingent upon addressing problems successfully. If you look at the graph, big data is between the peak of inflated expectations and trough disillusionment. Why? Because big data technology is still not matured. There are a lot of features which need to be added in the technology. We'll see it in the coming lectures. But yes, big data community is very strong. People are contributing a lot. There are a lot of improvements and enhancements coming up every day. Slope of enlightenment. The technology's potential for further applications becomes more broadly understood, and an increasing number of companies implement or test in their environments. Some producers create further generations of products. Plateau of productivity. The technology becomes widely implemented, its place in the market and its applications are well understood. Standards arise for evaluating technology providers. Alright, that's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Thank you.